01.Ambuluwawa is a unique multi-religious cultural and biodiversity complex located in Gampola, Sri Lanka. It's famous for its striking spiral tower that offers breathtaking, panoramic views of mountains, forests, and towns. It located 1,000 meters above sea level. The tower represents unity among religions: Buddhist, Hindu, Christian, Muslim symbols, etc. Surrounded by rich biodiversity and cool climate. Ideal for nature lovers, hikers, and photography. It's a popular spot for both locals and international.